Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so let's begin. So we have two methods how we can reset this device, and I'm going to show you both of them. So the first method is simply through the settings, and this method is recommended when you have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive. So simply open up the settings, scroll down, click on System and Updates, and now find the reset. And in here we have options to restore settings, reset networks, network settings, and reset phone. Of course, we are definitely interested in that last option. Also remember that all of the data will be erased permanently from your phone. So if you don't have a backup and if you want to restore your data in the future, you can create a backup. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel there is a video where I'm showing you the whole process. So if you want, you can look for it. Now all you need to do is to tap on reset phone, then follow the instruction on the screen. If you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turn on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your phone. But we have also the second method, which is recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when it's unresponsive, and it's through the recovery mode. So first let's power up the device. Let's hold the power button. Okay, and now we can click on power off. And now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding. Okay, when the Honor logo appears, we can release the power button, but let's keep on holding volume up. Okay, and now as you can see, we are in the recovery mode. So now we want to select clear data, confirm by using the power button. We use volume keys to navigate through here, but you can also use your finger instead if you want. And now we need to type using our keyboard the word yes. Click on factory reset, and now the process has started, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, 100%, and now select back, select restart, confirm, and within a few seconds your phone will be automatically turned on back again. And next thing you need to do now is to set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.